Pretty strange, but nice to see 70 in the forecast this week.
Yeah, because something about this weekend felt like, well, pack it up, that's it, didn't
it?
it? Like, felt like it was over.
Yeah.
But no, this week actually looks really nice. We'll see a couple of days in the 70s. So I'm here for it. I'm excited about it. You remember we were talking last week a little bit about that? I saw some hope for 70s, but I didn't want to promise it yet. So that's something you want to take back in October. Visible satellite looking good. Watch how the cloud cover is getting reduced in the last couple of frames. That's going to factor into our overnight low temperatures, which are going to be quite chilly. Already dropped down into the low 50s. Look at Rangeley already at 39. 49 in Waterville. And so I took the computer model data and I pushed these temperatures down. Maybe not enough in Rangeley, given the 39. I've got them at 30. 29 by early tomorrow morning in Freiburg. Mid-30s all the way to the coastline. Some context here. Coldest temperature we've seen so far in Portland was 38. We actually did it twice in October so far. So this will be the coolest night of the season so far. Kind of keeps going after that, right? We don't have to talk about that though. Hour by hour forecast shows that clear conditions and temperatures dropping off. Tomorrow starts off chilly, obviously, but we end up with a nice day. Temperatures in the mid and upper 50s, a mixture of sun and clouds by the afternoon. Clouds keep increasing here by tomorrow night, and that has to do with the warm front that will be wiggling its way into central and northern Maine. So a chance for a shower over the northern third or so of the state, more clouds there too. But what it's going to do for central and southern Maine is warm us up into the 60s, couple of low 70s. So Wednesday is a bit of a transition day. There's a lot of cloud cover around, but we start to feel that warmer air in here. That air will stick around for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Those are our days that are most likely to see those widespread 70s around. So it's the warm front lifting through up towards Quebec. It's this high rotating down. When the high gets down here, the winds rotate around that high out of the southwest, and that's obviously a warm wind direction for us pretty much any time of the year. So that combination will put us 12, 13, 14 degrees above average depending on your location. That continues through Saturday, and then the cold front comes through Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and temperatures go back down behind it. So when you hear 70, because we came out of summer into fall, it doesn't sound crazy, but actually our average high is 57, and that's in southern Maine. So to be at 70 here for a couple days in a row is a pretty big anomaly. And more likely the warmest day will actually be on Saturday, when we could get close to the mid-70s away from the coastline especially, and then we come back down on Sunday towards average. And that's really the only question of this forecast. We're going to be mild. We're going to have a nice Saturday. It's Sunday. Whether or not this shower activity will come in early in the day or it'll wait until the evening. There's a system kind of reaching in from the west here. There's another warm front right there. So that could give us some showers midday or so on Sunday, but some models hold it off until Sunday night. So we'll keep an eye on that. We've got a while, obviously. Good news there's a lot of like Halloween festivities that happen. And 72 is not usually in your bingo card when you pick out a Halloween costume.
No, it isn't.
You wouldn't know it from my Halloween costumes, but you can't always count on it being mild, which it will be. Now, Halloween itself, which is Tuesday, looks significantly cooler.
Okay.
We'll keep an eye on that as we get a little bit closer.
But for those weekend events,
yes.
he's in shape.
Yeah.
Right.
The kids will go out
No matter what.
what.
It doesn't matter.
Pretty much,
It's
yeah.
the parents.
Yeah.
All right. Keith, thank you very much.